Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today we are going to talk about a very important topic of atomic and molecular physics. So in today's session, I am mainly going to let you know that when you are preparing this topic, then what are the points we are having in this particular topic on which you need to focus more. And once you will have a clear idea about this thing, so whenever you are going to do the preparation of that topic, which is very much important and expected from atomic and molecular physics in your upcoming CSIR net physics exam. So let's talk about it. Basically, the topic which I am going to consider right now is gonna be the G-Min effect. As you all know, G-Min effect is a very important topic, and there are great chances that you can expect the questions based on G-Min effect in your upcoming CSIR net physics exam. But the point is, when somebody is going to prepare like on their own, so they need to know like exactly when they are preparing what are the points on which if they will focus more, or they need to revise the points again and again, okay, so that they will have a good command on those things. So I think with this information, then it will become very easy for them to prepare the topics. Clear? So let's talk about it. If we are going to talk about the G-Man effect, guys, in the G-Man effect topic, you are going to get two different type of G-Man effects. Clear? One is normal and another one is anomalous. So when you are going to start this topic, write the things in this way: normal and anomalous. Clear? Another thing is, if I'm going to talk about the next point, then the difference between both normal and anomalous G-Man effect generates due to the spin part. So you need to observe in which the spin will be 0 and in which the spin will be non-zero. Because sometimes in the question they don't specify that okay, it's normal or it is anomalous. With the information given to you in the question that it is related to spin, you will have to understand this thing. Okay, so that's why it's important. Then next thing you need to consider is the selection rule. Clear? So you need to know about the selection rules in both the cases, which are the allowed transitions, which are not allowed transitions. So when you prepare the selection rules, it will get clear to you. Clear? So next thing, let's come to the next point from where there are great chances that you can expect the question from this topic. Few points I have already mentioned. The next one is gonna be that they can ask you the question related to the frequency shift delta nu and the wavelength shift delta lambda. Now when you will read the question, after reading it, it will get easily clear to you what they are exactly asking you to find, or by observing the units given in the options, even you can get the idea whether they are going to consider the frequency shift or the wavelength shift there. Mainly from these 2 points, that is frequency shift and the wavelength shift, the questions have been asked so many times in the previous years, so they are very important. Consider these formulae very well. There are going to be few constant terms in these formulae, so what you need to do, write the values of those constant terms, like easily even right now you can just find that constant value and prepare it, so that your calculation in the exam will be quite easy and you will not have to solve so many terms, or the calculation will not go like a lengthy calculation. Clear? So in this way you can work smartly and you can get ready with the things which you can already prepare, okay, before the exam, like the values, the multiplication and the division of those constant terms. Just get it done and be ready with that particular value, so that directly you will be able to use it. So guys, I hope that once you are having this idea that from which portion you can expect the question from this particular topic, that is G-Man effect, now it will be easy for you to solve such type of questions and to get the answer. Okay, and I hope that the topic will seem like easy to you, because now you know like exactly what you need to prepare and what type of questions you can expect in the exam. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Now I'm just going to tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. As you all know that there are so many Unacademy Plus courses going on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR net physics exam preparation. So if you want to attend the more regular live classes by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Also, by using and by applying the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, as I have mentioned it here, no space in between, write it as it is, spelling should be same. So by writing and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. There are going to be so many top educators, those who are going to conduct the classes for your upcoming exam preparation. So once you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, after that you will be able to attend the live classes and the courses by all the top educators. There are going to be the courses which will soon start, upcoming courses. Some courses will be ongoing, some courses will be which have already been conducted. Clear? So if you are going to conduct take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will easily be able to prepare very well for your exam with all these courses. And if any course is already going on, you will get the recordings of the classes which you have missed or which have been already conducted. So in this way, guys, Unacademy Plus subscription will help you a lot. Also for the Part A preparation, there is going to be separate courses. So you will be able to attend those courses as well, and you will be able to prepare for the exam like completely with Unacademy Plus subscription. So whenever you are going to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code, that is Anjali Arora. Okay, and guys, there are going to be subscription for different durations like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 1 year or 2 years. So guys, in that case, if you want to consider your preparation in very well manner, so either you can go for 3 month subscription or a 6 month subscription, or even more as per like you already know about yourself. So it will be easy for you to decide it. Okay, accordingly you can decide. It was just a suggestion from my side. Also guys, I'm going to conduct the special classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday mostly. And in this month, that is in September, I'm going to conduct the sessions almost all these days in a week. Okay, and the timing is 9:30 a.m. Okay, and when you will stay connected, you will get to know about the updates or if there will be any changes and everything. Also guys, new course which is going to start from this Monday, that is on 7th September. Okay, which is a batch course, and in which different educators will conduct the sessions for different let's say subjects, and that's how you will be able to prepare very well for your upcoming exam with all these courses. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Also guys, if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam, so that you will get the notification for all the new videos which I am going to upload here. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.